This know-how video contains a list of Ahsay software processes and directory paths that should be whitelisted or excluded in all antivirus software. To optimize performance of the Ahsay software and to avoid any conflict with your antivirus software, the following processes and directory paths should be added to all antivirus software whitelist or exclusion list. For Ahsay CBS, the following processes should be whitelisted. 1. For Ahsay Cloud Backup Suite. Take note, for Ahsay CBS version 7.17 or above, the CBS SVC X64EXE or CBS SVC X86EXE processes are automatically added to Windows Defender exclusion list for Windows 10 and 2016 during installation or upgrade via installer. 2. For Ahsay Cloud Backup Suite NFS service for Ahsay CBS version 7.9 or above. Meanwhile, the following directory path should be whitelisted as well: Ahsay CBS installation folder and System Home. You can confirm the System Home location by logging into the Ahsay CBS web console. Under System Settings, go to Basic, General, then you can now see the System Home directory. On the other hand, you can also confirm the user home location by logging into the Ahsay CBS web console. Under Backup or Restore, click Basic. Then under User Home, you'll see the directory of all user homes available. Meanwhile, you can confirm the predefined destination location as well by logging into the Ahsay CBS web console. Under System Settings, click Basic, then Predefined Destinations. Select the predefined destination and you'll see its directory path. Moving on to Ahsay ACB and Ahsay OBM. The following processes and directory paths should be added to all antivirus software whitelist or exclusion list. 1. For Ahsay Backup Process. Take note, for Ahsay ACB or Ahsay OBM version 7.17 or above, the BJW-EXE process is automatically added to Windows Defender exclusion list for Windows 10 and 2016 during installation or upgrade via installer or upgrade via AUA. 2. For Ahsay Online Backup Manager Services. 3. CPT Cluster Services for client with Hyper-V VM backup set. 4. NFS service for client with VMware VM and Hyper-V VM Run Direct backup set. Meanwhile, the following directory path should be whitelisted: Ahsay ACB or Ahsay OBM installation folder, Ahsay OBM NFS service installation folder, Ahsay ACB or Ahsay OBM log folder, Ahsay ACB or Ahsay OBM configuration and log folder, and backup destination on local, map drive, network drive, removable drive of all backup sets. You can confirm the backup destination of each backup set by logging into the Ahsay ACB or Ahsay OBM user interface. Go to Backup Sets, select the backup set, then Destination. Meanwhile, you can confirm the temporary directory location of each backup set by logging into the Ahsay ACB or Ahsay OBM user interface, then go to Backup Set, select the backup set, click Show Advanced Settings, then Others.